Hi, welcome back to Easy Learning 77, your standards-based Algebra 1 Semester 1 course. This is just one lesson from many. If you haven't looked at the entire course, you can see every lesson at tinyurl.com/easylearning77. Just click on that link down below. All right, so let's go ahead and get this class started. We're going to be talking about how you translate an English phrase into a mathematical expression. So it turns out that you can take an English phrase and convert it into a math expression, and vice versa. You can take math expressions and convert them into English. If we look down at the bottom at those two pictures, the young lady is talking about the circumference of a circle. So she's thinking English. See, she says the product of 2 pi and r. That's an English phrase. So when you're taking a test, you usually have to read in English, but you have to do your calculations in math. So the guy on the right has taken the equivalent math expression, 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. So we've taken the English expression, the product of 2 pi and r, and we've converted it to a mathematical expression, 2 pi r. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this lesson. How do we do that? So let's say that you're taking a test and you have a word problem. And of course that word problem is written in English, so you need to convert that word problem into mathematics. So how do I know what I'm supposed to use a variable in my mathematical expression? Well, if you look on the right here, we've got 4 keywords or clues that will tell us that we have to use a variable. First thing, you notice there's no numbers. There's no constant like 22 or -7. But you'll see words like a quantity or a number or some value or unknown. And those are all clues that tell you that we're going to use a variable. Let's look at an example. Let's say you're taking a test and there's a word problem and you see the words a quantity of hydrogen is used in an experiment. So that word quantity means that we don't know the exact number. There's no constant value given, such as 5 grams. So what that means is that the value is unknown. It could be 5 grams or 7 kilograms, or it could be 22 pounds. We don't know. But since the value varies, it's unknown, we'll use a variable such as x to represent this unknown quantity. Here's a second example. You're reading a math problem and it says a number or some number. So again, no constant value is given. So the value can vary. It could be 10, it could be -22, it could be pi. So that means that the variable should be used. Let's look at an example. A student works a certain number of hours. So we don't know how many hours he works, whether it's 10 or 55. So we're going to use a variable such as x to represent this. But maybe h should be a better variable because it represents hours.